The year was 1945, December 5th. At 2:10 in the afternoon, 5 torpedo bomber aircraft of the U.S. Navy took off from Florida. This mission was called Flight 19, a routine training exercise, nothing out of the ordinary. But what happened next would spark one of the greatest mysteries of the modern age, a mystery that remains unsolved to this day. 14 crew members were aboard those planes, led by Lieutenant Charles Taylor, a seasoned pilot and war veteran. The mission was simple, a 3-hour flight east of Florida. But 2 hours in, something went terribly wrong. Taylor's voice crackled over the radio. His compass had failed. The backup compass? Useless. The other planes? The same. They were lost, disoriented. And then the weather turned. By 4:56 p.m., Taylor believed they were over the Gulf of Mexico. He ordered the squadron to fly east, but some crew members disagreed. They thought they were already east of Florida and needed to head west. Confusion reigned. At 7:04 p.m., the last transmission came through, and then silence. All 5 planes vanished. No wreckage, no bodies, nothing. But the mystery didn't end there. A search and rescue aircraft carrying 13 people was sent to find Flight 19. It too disappeared without a trace. 14 lives lost in Flight 19, 13 more in the rescue mission, and to this day, no one knows what happened. This is the story of the Bermuda Triangle, a place where ships, planes, and people vanish without explanation. A place shrouded in legend, fear, and intrigue. But is it really as mysterious as it seems? Or is there a logical explanation behind the myths? The Bermuda Triangle, a stretch of ocean between Florida, Puerto Rico, and Bermuda, over 500,000 square miles of water. And for centuries, it's been the site of strange disappearances. The tales go back to 1492, when Christopher Columbus himself reported strange occurrences. His compass malfunctioned. He saw a ball of fire fall from the sky. Was it a meteor? A sign of something more sinister? Over the years, this area earned grim nicknames: the Graveyard of the Atlantic, the Sea of Doom, the Sargasso Graveyard. But it wasn't until 1964 that the name Bermuda Triangle was coined. Vincent Gaddis, in a magazine article, linked the disappearances and sparked a global fascination. Since then, the Bermuda Triangle has inspired books, movies, and endless speculation. But let's look at the facts. Take the USS Cyclops, for example. In 1918, this massive Navy ship vanished with 306 people on board. No distress signals, no wreckage, just gone. Or the Ellen Austin, a ship that, in 1881, encountered a ghost ship near the Triangle. The crew boarded it, only to vanish themselves, twice. But here's the thing. Many of these stories are just that, stories, urban legends, unverifiable tales passed down through generations. So, what's really going on in the Bermuda Triangle? Let's explore the theories. First, magnetism. The area is near an agonic line, where magnetic and geographic north align. This can confuse compasses, leading to navigational errors. Second, the shallow waters. Hidden shoals and reefs can trap ships, especially in the old days. Third, the weather. This region is prone to hurricanes and waterspouts, which can easily sink ships or down planes. Fourth, methane hydrates. Underwater methane eruptions could reduce water density, causing ships to sink without warning. And finally, the Baader-Meinhof effect. Once the triangle gained notoriety, people started noticing every disappearance there, while ignoring similar incidents elsewhere. The truth? The Bermuda Triangle isn't uniquely dangerous. Ships and planes vanish in other parts of the world too. But the triangle's mystique keeps us captivated. So, is the Bermuda Triangle a place of supernatural phenomena, or just a stretch of ocean with bad weather and tricky navigation? The answer, like the triangle itself, remains shrouded in mystery. Perhaps the real mystery isn't what happened to Flight 19 or the USS Cyclops. Perhaps it's why we're so drawn to the unknown, to the stories that defy explanation, to the legends that keep us wondering, searching, and dreaming.